Hi, my name's Dr. Dave, and I am a pediatric cardiologist that is a doctor who takes care of kids with heart problems. So one of the most common problems that I see in my office is kids come in with their chest hurting, and it's very often sharp chest pain. It occasionally has something to do with the heart, but 99% of the time it is a muscle spasm. And what I notice is that all of my colleagues and I used to do the same thing, would just do things like, say, take Tylenol or take Advil. Well, the problem is this stuff doesn't even work. I've had 2 patients who were getting morphine for this chest pain, and the morphine didn't work. So I got tired of telling people this stuff, and I made up a breathing exercise about 15 years ago. I've had over 10,000 patients use this breathing exercise. It pretty much always works. It always works if it's from a muscle. So I'm going to teach you the breathing exercise right now. And if you do this 3 times a day for a week, the chest pain will be gone or much, much, much better. So we are going to do the breathing right now. So I'm going to draw a box in the air. Before I start drawing the box, I'm going to explain when the muscle is spasming, the problem is that you need to loosen it up. And the way you loosen it up is these are your ribs, and you need to basically take a big breath in so that it stretches all these muscles. They're called intercostal muscles. They're the muscles in between the ribs, and hold it. And so I'm going to teach you a way to do that. So on your mark, get set, go. Breathe in through your nose. I'm going to breathe also. And you keep on breathing in until it hurts. Make it hurt a little bit. When it hurts, you hold your breath. And so the second part, you are stretching those muscles out, so you hold it kind of as long as you can. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Now breathe out through your mouth. You breathe all the way out until there's nothing left in your lungs. Stop breathing, and then you complete the breath. Okay, that's 1 square. 2 more. Breath number 2, in through your nose. Keep on breathing in until it hurts a little bit. No pain, no gain. Hold your breath. And each time you do this, it stretches out a little bit more because you already stretched the first one. So the second one, you've stretched the muscle even more. As long as you can, hold it, and then breathe out through your mouth. All the way out till there's nothing left in your lungs. Stop breathing. And now the last breath, biggest breath of your life, in through your nose. Keep on breathing till it hurts a little bit. When it hurts, it means you're stretching out the muscle, then hold it. And the holding part is real important because that really stretches it out. So hold it as long as you can, and then breathe out through your mouth. Stop breathing, and then just breathe normal. And what I recommend doing is do that as your first breath, which you just did. Good job. And in the next hour or 2, do another set of 3, so 3 boxes. And then before you go to bed at night, do another set of 3 breaths, exactly the same way. And I would recommend doing 3 times a day, these 3 boxes for 7 days. It does not take 7 days to work. It'll work today if it is a tight muscle, which it usually is, and you will feel better. The reason I recommend to do it for a week, if you do it for a week, you will never forget it. It will be burned into your brain forever. And so then, and also the more you do it, the more it stretches this out, the less likely it is the pain is going to come back. And so even if it goes away for 6 months and then it comes back in 6 months, you will remember it without having to rewatch this video, although you're welcome to do that if you would like to do that. The other things to keep in mind is this is a stress reducer. So if you have stress in your life, which you look like a human being, so you probably do have stress because human beings tend to have stress. If you do this, it will lower your stress. Or if you're nervous about something, if you're about to take a test, or there's just something that is making you nervous and you want to stay calm, if you do this, you can do it unlimited times to calm things down. Some people will have a racing heart. If you slowly breathe, it slows down your heart. There's a connection between the breath and the heart. And so I would say give it a try, and hopefully it'll help you out. So good luck with everything, and thanks for listening.